Exhale, lift the right arm. Inhale, place it down. Exhale, left. Inhale, place it down. Exhale, right. Inhale, place it down. And exhale, left. Inhale, place it down. Going on to opposition, that's the right hand and the left foot. Head is still an extension of the spine. Ribs are still funneled together. Shoulders are still backing down. Take your inhale, widen to the side, and exhale. Inhale, place it down. 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 And exhale. And inhale, place it down. Good. You want to draw yourself into all four. Bring the hands to the mat. Press yourself onto all four. And back into shell stretch. Allow the lower back to curve around. Around as if you are an angry cat. Nice and round. That posterior tilt. Inhale, widen to the side. And exhale. Belly button to the spine. Inhale, widen to the side. And exhale. Now my hands are placed on the foam roller and I'm allowing my shoulders to be open. Okay? Opening up. They're not in my ears, they're slid down my back. Okay, take your inhale and exhale up onto all four. And I am on the foam roller. Okay? We're going to take our inhale and exhale to a cat back exhale. Inhale, flat. And exhale. Posterior. Inhale. And exhale. Posterior. Inhale. And exhale. Posterior. Good. Inhale. And just roll yourself back to sitting. We're going to do a cat stretch using the foam roller, okay, as we roll out. Now this one you want to watch because you're going to be up in all four. Up on all four. And you're going to roll out on the foam roller. The further you roll this foam roller out, the more you're going to have to keep your ribs connected. So you're going to take your inhale. And as you exhale, you're just going to walk the foam roller away. Nice and long. And inhale. Now exhale, cat back, rolling up. Walking in. Back to all four. Inhale. Exhale, walk it out. Flat. Inhale. Exhale, cat back. Walking it in and drawing those shoulders down. Number 3, inhale. Exhale, walk it out. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale. Posterior, connect those ribs, slide your shoulders down your back. Walk it in, and I'm doing 4 walks. You should feel it in your forearms and in your triceps. Inhale. Exhale, walk it out. Flat back. Inhale. Exhale, cat back. And walk it in. And you're left on all 4. Okay, head is an extension of the spine. Pretty hectic on the arms and upper body. Just make sure you slide those shoulders down into the shoulder girdle or they'll be up in your ears and you'll never make it back up. Connect those ribs and draw back and down. Finally, we're going to do scooch over the foam roller, and that's going to end our series of foam roller. Okay? From the foam roller, you're going to place it under the knee. Now your hands will be on the floor, and you're on all 4. Think of your shoulders back and down, but your shoulders over your wrists. You're still going to think of a posterior tilt. Your head is an extension of the spine, so don't let it lag down. Keep it lifted. Take your inhale, but you're going to gaze in, chin towards the sternum, and exhale and pull that foam roller in. Exhale. Repetition of 10, take a rest. Do a second set. Inhale, exhale, gaze towards the belly button, and exhale. That was set number 2. Now if you're really going for the gusto, do a third set. Keep those ribs connected. Think the back of the neck is lifted, but then the gaze is in towards the belly button. That's not lagging here, okay? I want you to make that difference. Lift, posterior tilt, exhale. Inhale, and allow yourself to roll down. Pretty hectic. All right, that was scooch over the foam roller, keeping those ribs connected, and that's going to finish our foam roller series. What you'll want to do now is just stretch. And we'll just take a nice mermaid stretch, hip flexor stretch, quad stretch, okay? So you're going to sit in your mermaid style. And remember, mermaid has variations. This is the Z sit. You can sit cross-legged, or you can sit with the legs in front of you. Just make sure your sits bones are in your mat, okay? From here, and I'll do this series moving right through the exercises and the stretches. To mermaid, inhale, the arms go out. Exhale, pulling the belly button to the spine, funneling the ribs down, hollowing out, dropping that shoulder down, feeling a stretch from the side. Keep that hip down, inhale, and exhale. Inhale to rotate. You're in a posterior tilt on that rotation. Exhale, recover, inhale, exhale, feel your ribs connect, pulling those obliques together. As you recover, take your inhale, rotate to the other side, which I call the non-working side. Drop that shoulder down, feel the stretch. We're going to inhale, come all the way through, and go right to our lunge on the floor. Just a slight hip flexor stretch. Pull those shoulders back and down. Inhale, and exhale, inhale, and exhale. Head should be forward. Inhale, and exhale, right into your quad stretch. Lift that foot, grab it with the opposite hand. Feel that stretch on the quad. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, recover it. Inhale, exhale, roll down, and let's do that again. Okay, we'll take our inhale, mermaid, exhale, drop that shoulder, inhale, exhale, belly button to the spine, inhale, rotate, exhale, posterior tilt, drop that shoulder down, keeping that hip down, inhale, recover, exhale, reach to the ceiling, connect with the obliques, inhale, non-working side, drop that shoulder, inhale, take it all the way through, and exhale into your lunge stretch on the floor. Head is an extension of the spine. Inhale, exhale, shoulders back and down, ribs connected. Inhale, exhale, quad stretch. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, recover. Exhale, roll down, and let's take the whole thing on the other side. Remember, if you're doing it from this position, your exhale over to the side, back up. Non-working side is really your other side, okay? And that's okay, you're just getting a double stretch, which is always good. Extra stretching is good. Same deal on the other side. Let's take our inhale, exhale. Keep that hip down into the mat. Drop that shoulder down. Inhale, exhale, belly button to the spine. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, posterior tilt. Draw those shoulders down. Inhale, recover. Exhale, up towards the ceiling. Inhale, non-working side. Exhale, follow through. Inhale, exhale, up to the lunge. Draw those shoulders back and down. Head is an extension of the spine. Inhale. Exhale, connect your ribs. Inhale. Exhale. Lengthen that leg to the quad stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Connect your ribs. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Recover. Inhale. And exhale. From the mermaid. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Rotate. Inhale. Posterior. Exhale. Inhale. Recover. Exhale. Non-working side. Inhale. Exhale. Follow through. Inhale. Lunge stretch. Exhale. Shoulders down. Shoulders down. Head is an extension of the spine. Connect the ribs. Inhale. Exhale. Quad stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Line your hips up. Inhale. Exhale. Recover. Inhale. Roll down. Exhale. To finish. Okay. So that was your foam roller series with a small stretch, body stretch at the end. Remember to drink your water during the day. Make sure you're breathing. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Really relaxed exhale. Think of yawning. Part your lips. I like to do exaggerated breathing for you because if you're doing the exercise and you're not looking at the video or the DVD, you'll forget to breathe. So without me giving you the cue for breathing, I like to do that exaggerated exhale for you. But you should not perch those lips and get tension in the face and the neck. You really want to hollow out through the mouth. Exhaling. Inhale. And exhale. Soft. Feel those tingles down your back as you're exhaling, okay? Very nice. Good. We'll see you the next time around. Make sure you get the mat video. If you haven't gotten that, these positions are in there for you. And the next series will be the ball. Okay, we'll do ball next. Thanks so much. Thanks for joining me for Pilates with Marquise. See you next time.